Hello, Lawrence.
Hello.
Lawrence, introduce mo naman ang sarili mo sa viewers
Yes, my
natin.
name is Lawrence Benga from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan.
Yes. So from Bulacan din. I would like to know kung kamusta ka na.
Yeah, as of now naman I'm good and as of now plan ko talaga lumaban this year for an national pageant and I think see you there.
Ayan. So, we remember you from Mr. Philippines 2023.
Yeah,
Ayun.
I joined this last 2023.
Yeah. And siguro ano ang takeaway o natutunan mo sa pageant ngayon na dadalhin mo sa next
Yes,
journey mo?
siguro one of the biggest takeaway to Mr. Gun Philippines is that yung experience siguro, the brotherhood, na natutunan ko doon na nakuha ko doon, the connection. Siguro for my next pageant, it's the big, big age na para sa mga magiging kalaban ko kasi as of now kasi I'm improving myself pa for national pageant. So I think experience in last 2023 would be a good and a big advantage for me.
Ayun, yung Mr. Grand Philippines 2023 mo, napaka-competitive mo ng
Yeah, actually.
billboard. Sila, yung sila, sila PJ.
Yeah.
So, yung ka-brother mo
Mm.
na taga San Jose mo,
Si
si
Jessie.
Jessie
Yeah.
Ginto, nag-Mr. Philippines 2023.
Yeah, actually.
So, ano yung, siguro walk me through or ano nararamdaman mo nung time na kasali ka at nag-compete alongside with them?
Alongside with them, parang alam mo yun, experience to compete with a big name in the pageant like PJ and Jessie Ginto. And as of now kasi, alam mo yun, parang, alam mo yun, yung mga natutunan ko dun is paunti-kunti na-apply ko na ngayon for my daily life and of course sa mga future pageant ko na sasalihan ko.
Ayun, sa journey mo ng Mr. Grand, anong gusto mo, may gusto ka pang baguhin? At kung ano man yun, bakit?
Maraming pagsisi kasi may mga shortcomings pero siguro kung may babaguhin ako siguro wala na kasi maraming right now is because of my past because and big part nun is Mr. Gun Philippines. So siguro I'll be better na lang every day. So when I compete again, alam mo yun, maging maibigay ko yung best can yung 100% ko.
Sa tingin mo, what aspect of yourself yung gusto mong i-improve para na pagtuunan mo ng pansin para sa susunod mong nationals?
Actually, as of now talaga nakikita ang mga shortcoming ko talaga is first of all is syempre yung public speaking. Alam naman natin syempre yung pabalaging nandyan yan. Siguro, pakonti-konti struggle ko is kahit papaano kaya kong, alam mo yun, i-overcome naman kahit papaano matututunan. That's why, alam mo yun, I practice every day talaga for my upcoming pageants.
Anong isang bagay yung ginagawa mo para ma-improve yung public speaking skills
Actually,
mo?
one of my train is yung panonood ng mga English movie just like Hollywood and mga alam mo yun, mga movie na alam mo yun, books, mga English books, pagbabasa during my spare time. Siguro yun yung one of my training ko as of now para alam mo yun, may improve pa konti-konti yung public speaking ko.
Pero ayan, I guess marami pa rin sumusuporta
Yeah,
sa'yo. And
super.
Bulacan is one of the
Yeah.
provinces na supportive talaga sa
Yeah.
pageantry. Maraming Bulakenyak
Yeah,
din.
actually.
So, ano ang mensahe mo sa mga supporters, not only sa Bulacan, but
Hmm.
Pilipinas?
Siguro to all my supporters, gusto ko na sabihin na thank you for always supporting me, for always staying every time may laban ako. And yun, kita-kita ulit tayo susunod na laban ko. Promise, I'll be better.
Ayun, hindi ko natatanungin kung saan yun. Gusto
Yeah,
ko kasi
yeah,
surprise.
thank
Pero,
you.
Lawrence, good luck on your next
Yeah,
pageant journey and we can't wait to see you again compete.
thank you so much po. See you.